few moments later.
Don't you notice how I get quiet when there's no one else around? The you and awkward silence. Don't you dare look at me that way. I don't need reminders of how you don't feel the same. Oh, the burning pain. Listening to your heart pump out some new soulmate. She's so perfect, blah, blah, blah. Oh, how I wish you'll wake up one day. Run to me, confess your love, at least just let me say that when I talk to you, Cupid walks right through and shoots an arrow through my heart. And I sound like a loon, but don't you feel to confess I loved you from the start.
A few moments later.
変なに見つけいただきます
Trash fruit? Nope. Oh my god. It's a love life fruit with all the buffs. I'm gonna marry you.
Can I join you? Piss off! I want to get stronger! How come it's all these trashes again? Whatever, let's pack them up. Hey buddy, help me take a look at these things.
It's Roger's treasure pass of Grand Voyage.
Oh fuck, I'm in the money.
Honey, I was just kidding. Please, let me marry you.
Bro, can I marry you too?